There is big news this morning about Rivian Automotive. Rivian ratings arrived this morning and they are more positive than Tesla, and Rivian, people say, is the one that could really disrupt Tesla. That's what analysts say. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harian from TorqueNews.com. Wall Street mostly is bullish on Rivian Automotive. Average stock price target implies nearly 30% upside. So what happened? A group of Wall Street ratings boosted Rivian Automotive Incorporation stock on Monday, nearly a month after the company went public, with analysts giving the Amazon-backed electric vehicle maker mostly bullish endorsements. Of the 13 analysts surveyed by FactSet, 8 set ratings on Rivian that were the equivalent of buy, while the other 5 rated it the equivalent of hold. There are so far no bears on Rivian. The average price target on the stock was $134.42, which was about 28% above Friday's stock closing price of $104.67 and about 72% above the $78 initial public offering price. The stock Rivian surged more than 4% on Monday, putting it on track to snap a 4-session losing streak. It was now trading 37% below its November 16 high, close of $172.01, but was still 39% above its IPO price. Baird analyst George Giankiras initiated Rivian at outperform with a $150 stock price target, saying he believes the company can formidably challenge Tesla's market dominance. He said the company has adopted a promising vertically integrated approach, reinforced by a robust balance sheet, Amazon partnership, and strong recruitment. Vertical integration, however, requires scale to extract benefits. And as such, Rivian needs to ramp quickly and effectively to materialize as a serious long-term contender, Giankiras wrote in a note to client. That is, Clark Kent needs to emerge from the phone booth and Rivian and save the planet. Wedbush's Dan Ives, who is a bullish on Tesla all the time, also started Rivian with a bullish outperform rating and set a $130 stock price target, saying the stalwart EV startup is looking to strategically launch itself into an untapped market, as SUV and pickup truck EVs are currently virtually non-existent in the electric vehicle market. He said Rivian's debut of R1T and R1S electric vehicles are expected to launch in early 2022, competing with General Motors' new Hummer, Ford Motors truck, and down the road Tesla's Cybertruck. With the popularity and consumer demand for electric vehicles on the trucking SUV market, we believe Rivian is in the catbird seat to take considerable market share in the electric vehicle arms race under its visionary CEO and founder Scaringe, Ives wrote. And Ives is an important person when it comes to Tesla and electric vehicles. You know, he has been very bullish on Tesla all the time. Meanwhile, analyst Ryan Brickman at JP Morgan, which was one of the lead underwriters of Rivian's IPO, started the company at neutral with a stock price target of $104, which was 0.6% below Friday's closing price. Brickman was generally upbeat on the company's prospects, saying the company's caliber as an organization was made clear given it bet Tesla, Ford Motor, General Motors to market with the industry's first battery electric pickup truck, and an excellent one at that. He said the company also differentiated itself from its peers by its strong strategic partners, its simultaneous focus on both light and commercial vehicles, and by its substantial capital base. Brickman had some reservations, however, regarding costs to reach its goals and valuations at Rivian. Our neutral rating balance, on the one hand, extremely compelling top-line growth prospects, surprisingly world-class products for a new manufacturer, and structural industry tailwinds, with, on the other hand, equally heavy investments anticipated to fund the growth and valuation, which is clearly already pricing in a lot after the recent sharp rise in the shares, and Brinkman wrote. But then again, Brinkman said the stock's high valuation increases its confidence in the company's ability to fund its growth ambitions. John Murphy at Bank of America Securities started their coverage on Rivian with a buy rating and a $170 price target for Rivian. Imagine when 104 versus 170. That's a big difference, right? Rivian's key competitive advantage among several legacy and startup electric vehicle makers is an extremely comprehensive and well-constructed business strategy, in addition to solid innovative technology and interesting, attractive product validated by a key anchor customer, Amazon.com. Murphy said from John Murphy from Bank of America Securities. He also said, although this does not mean complete avoidance of the obstacles many EV startups have endured from concept to commercialization, we assign much more credibility to Rivian's success in this endeavor, the analyst said. He continued, however, that Rivian and other auto tech startups are inherently very risky stocks. Rivian stock has gained 7.9% since it's closed its first day of trading at $100.73 on November 10, while the Renaissance IPO exchange-traded fund IPO has dropped 14%, and S&P 500 index SPX has slipped 1.3% over the same time. Now, what do you think, friends? What do you think Rivian versus Lucid and versus Tesla? Now, one of the new buy ratings, like I said, came from Baird. Clark Kent races to catch Iron Man, wrote Baird analyst George Giancaris in his launch report. Rivian has an opportunity to formidably challenge Tesla's market dominance, he said. Okay, he said the company has adopted a promising vertically integrated approach reinforced by its robust balance sheet, Amazon partnership, and strong recruitment. Rivian is manufacturing its trucks and SUVs at its new plant. What's more, Amazon.com is a Rivian backer and has ordered 100,000 of the company's electric delivery vans. Baird is also positive on Tesla stock, rating shares at buy. Baird's Tesla price target is $888. Do you think Rivian is a serious challenger to Tesla? What about Rivian and Lucid? Because Lucid is having a difficult day today with SEC subpoena. Well, let me know, friends. I'm kind of surprised that people give Rivian more positive ratings than Tesla. But this is Armen Hareyan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel. I would love to hear your comments in the comment section below. Rivian versus Texas, Rivian versus other electrics, Rivian's advantage with Amazon partnership, and being in a trucking and van market, SUV market, which is a very competitive and very much demanding market. But let me know your thoughts, friends. This is Armen Hareyan. Please subscribe to our channel for daily electric vehicle Tesla news. Ring the bell, and peace be with all of you. God bless you, everyone. Have a great day, and let's move on to our next EV story.